Most people think financial freedom is just about being rich, but there are actually four distinct levels that completely change how you live your life. Level 1 is survival mode. You're living paycheck to paycheck, just covering rent, groceries, and basic bills. Maybe you're making 30 to 50,000 a year, and every month feels like a financial tightrope walk. One unexpected expense and you're scrambling. Level 2 is stability. Now you've got some breathing room. You've built that 3 to 6 month emergency fund everyone talks about. You can book that weekend trip without checking your bank account first. You're probably earning 50 to 80,000 and actually sleeping better at night. Level 3 is where things get interesting. This is security and choice. You've got investments growing, maybe some real estate. You could quit your job tomorrow and survive for years. You're earning 80,000 plus, but more importantly, you're not tied to any single income source. You work because you want to, not because you have to. Level 4 is complete independence. Your passive income covers all your living expenses. Rental properties, dividends, business profits flow in whether you work or not. You might need $1 million or more invested, but the exact number depends on your lifestyle. Here's what most people miss. You don't jump from level 1 to 4 overnight. Each level requires different strategies and mindsets. Level 1 needs budgeting and debt elimination. Level 2 needs consistent saving. Level 3 needs smart investing. Level 4 needs passive income streams. The beautiful thing is you can feel dramatically different between each level, even if the income gaps aren't massive. Financial freedom isn't just one destination, it's a journey with 4 very distinct stops.